Hi, my name is Andrew Hinshaw. I'm an independent FileMaker developer. I have a client that works in the insurance cost containment industry, and they use FileMaker as a go-to platform to manage their daily workflow processes. In their solution and in their daily workflow, they receive literally hundreds of telephone calls a day. Many of those calls come internationally. Many of the calls are domestic here in the United States. The calls come in both from clients and clients of their clients. Part of the problem in tracking the workflow productivity in that environment is making sure that the calls are actually logged into the system. Currently, when a phone call comes in or when a call goes out, the workers will go into their daily workflow task manager, including the time of day that they called and what the call was regarding. We need a way to track that activity for multiple reasons. In searching for solutions to this problem, I ran across a product from 2ForYou software called Phone Companion. It's a FileMaker plugin. My first experience with the 2ForYou plugin was by downloading their demonstration files. We found it extremely simple to install in our current solution, and we're actually able to bring the plugin online, have FileMaker speak and talk with our phone system in about 30 minutes, which I thought was really remarkable. The demo files were loaded on the server. We installed the plugin. We did some configurations on our phone server, and the demonstration file worked perfectly. It was able to understand that an incoming call was there. It was able to understand when a phone call was made, either by clicking on a button in FileMaker or by simply lifting the handset and making the call. It was actually quite remarkable and unexpected. As we moved beyond the demonstration file and began the process of integration, another thing was surprising when we discovered the power of the various functions and the limited nature of the number of functions. In other words, the functions are not large in number, but each of the functions that are included are extremely powerful. That has proven to make our development efforts and our integration efforts quite simple. The challenge for us is actually not in using the plugin, but in understanding and developing how we want to use the new capabilities within FileMaker, what we can do with the user interfaces for the end users in FileMaker, when and how we might want to structure data sets relative to a phone call. All of those things were opened up to us in a way that we did not expect. We expected that we would simply be able to log a phone call. Okay, that's nice. But when you really dig into the power of what the plugin is allowing you to do by connecting your voice system with your users and your data system, has become quite a remarkable solution for us. And my client, again, receives hundreds of phone calls a day. And tracking those and understanding what people are doing with those phone calls was a great challenge. The 2ForYou plugin has helped us solve that problem. I do not know of any other solutions in the FileMaker space that allow for this kind of technology integration. In my view, the 2ForYou plugin has been a very powerful solution, and so far we're very happy with the tools that they provide. For any independent developers out there or development teams out there that have a client that they need to integrate the phone system with FileMaker, I can't recommend the plugin highly enough. As I mentioned earlier, the ease of integration is remarkable. The function calls are quite powerful because the plugin is so elegant and so simple. That will become the challenge.